Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how to create a step-by-step form like this. You have step 1, like your clients can fill in step 1, go to step 2, fill it, go to 3, fill it before they submit. What you have like this, put here the name, email, what, next, fill, then after send, using Elementor. So to do this, go to a page, for example, here, this is what we need to create. We need to add that type of form here. So go and search for forms. Select it and drop it in. We need to use this form here. So here we shall need to use a name, email, then we get the steps. So in order to add the step, first of all, you can uncheck this. You can duplicate this like that. So we need name and email. Here must be a step. So click here, delete this, select here, come and select email step. So it will be like that. So somebody will fill the name and email, click next, and we'll go to the next step, step 2. Then under step 2, delete that. Under step 2, we shall need phone, like for example URL, put your website. Shall need website, copy this and paste here. You can add conditions, either required or not. We shall need telephone, here phone, depending on what you need. Here you can also put here phone. Then we shall need again another step. From there we go to step 3. Remove this and this. Go to step 3. Step 1, step 2, step 3. After that we shall need step 3. We shall need date. After that, we shall need anything you feel like here. For example, either, to select elements. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on what you need. Then after the message. Here you are done with creating it. So then you come styling. You come and style it from here for the labels, for the HTMLs. This is where you style it from. For the fields, this is where you style it from. I mean, this text here, for example, you can put here black. The border, increase here the size, depending on how you need it to look like. Increase that. Put even a radius like maybe to 7. Go to buttons. Here we have next and submit buttons. We have the background. You can change the background for the next, based on what you need. You can add here, for example, put here 18, 24, put here the padding like 14. Then white. You can even set the hover background if you need to hover it on green. Then you come and previous button. You come and set the background. Maybe you need it in this color. That is then like that. Then steps, this one's here. Primary color, this color here. You can select from here the one you need. Either you need it to be red or you need it to be any color. Maybe you can select from anything you feel like, any color you feel like that. Then the secondary color. When somebody when it's active, like now this one, it should change to should change to this. Then when it is completed, should change to something like 00F, like that. So after styling your form, you can test by previewing this page. So this is what we have now. For a name, you can put Martin. You put here your email. Next. This one is covered. We are now on the next website. You put the URL. For example, you can put this. Then the telephone number. Then you go to, we have your previous. And next. You select here to, then the date of birth. Click here. Select. Put here like even 19, and then you feel like for example 1995. Then write here your message. After writing, you click here to send the message. Then you find that your message was submitted successfully. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you need more tutorials like this.